Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. And I don't even remember if I end up sharing this video with you. I was like, I didn't even share the pancake clip, but you know, on a regular smuggler, this is what it is. And don't forget to water your own garden and pour into your own cup, because life will get busy and you will find yourself overextending, overdoing everything, and you will forget the moments and times where you need to just take a break and take time out for yourself. Even if you're a multitasker, just like myself. What do you do to reset? Do you take care of yourself like this? Do you have spa days? Do you wash your hair, shampoo your hair? Hey, I'm just saying, I haven't even put on lashes in months. But I decided that day, go ahead, just pop some on and make yourself feel like $1,000,000, if you will. But no, I actually feel great. I feel good about this day. So yay. It's trying to grow. Whatever. And this is a fact. I will cut my hair. I don't care how long it may grow. If the ends are looking bad, I would just go ahead and get the scissors and cut off the damaged ends so that my hair will replenish itself and grow better than before. It feels good though. It most definitely feels great. Yeah, so I feel so good about that self-care day. Oh my goodness. But let's jump into this quick, easy, simple, affordable haul. Like I shared before, you know, these are going to be some of the things that I tend to grab when I go to the grocery store. So I think that day I only end up spending probably like $100 and something. Okay. So as you can see, I got some strawberry jam cheese. I got some bimbo bread. I end up getting some donuts, some bagels. Now, I did forget the cream cheese. I don't know what or how I made that mistake, but I did. And then there's some more of that white bimbo bread. Those burritos, they were pretty good, but I think I pretty much like the other ones. Okay, I think it was an orange bag, but beef links, ground turkey, some rice, and refried beans, and some grilled chicken, some of those little tater rounds, okay, and some eggs. Now, if you want to look at the receipt again, then it would tell you pretty much how much I spent. Now, I stated before, just to keep things on on a decent scale budget, I try not to go over my budget. So if I set to spend $150, $160 in that one, weekly haul, then, or just making, groceries again, then that's pretty much where I'm gonna keep it, and I'm not gonna try to go over that, because like a lot of little stores that we used to have here in Los Angeles, they end up closing those stores down where they had discounted things or foods in there that were really worth your dollar. So you could stretch a dollar a little bit more, but it is what it is, and you just have to find ways to come up with meals, grab affordable things, and come up with meals that cater to your budget and to your taste palette and to your liking. So there are so many things that you can do with that. I think that's a 3-pound container of ground beef. You can make beans, you can make patties, you could smother you some patties. make you some Alfredo pastas, okay, things like that, burritos, stuff like that. Now that grilled chicken, that's what I'm gonna do. Get those beans and rice and just cook up a meal and put it all together. And that's why I had those burrito shells, because I end up making that for the night. Now, the pasta noodles are sometimes on sale 10 for 10, and Kroger Food for Less, same thing. So I would end up, pretty much getting those. And yeah, so that will be pretty much affordable. So these are things that I'm going to buy, I guess continue to buy, and keep shopping around and looking for some affordable deals. So I know that lately I've been in this one store, but I think for the fall season, I'm just going to pretty much shop around and start to make my menu up, or just come up with an idea to see what kind of meals I'm going to target and just cook, and things that help me in my schedule, because I work a lot, and so sometimes you can get overwhelmed. But I'm gonna come up with a plan and a strategy just so I can continue on making meals that are pleasing to the palate and things that are super affordable. And I also end up picking up these fruits right here. So yeah. It will be though. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this collective haul. I end up picking up these affordable items. Okay, now I went into several stores. Now you saw me do a walkthrough through the stores, but I'm going to share with you what I end up picking up now. I'm not going to be spending that much money. So these here curtain rods were very, very affordable at $12.99. Okay. So I thought that the color tone would probably be better and go more cohesive with what I was trying to do, or what I'm going to be doing. And I just wanted to get something super affordable. Okay. So $12.99 for each one of those. Okay, so, and it came with a pair, so couldn't go wrong with that. Okay, so I also end up getting some curtains. Now these are not blackout curtains, but they are black, and I was thinking about probably adding another color with them. I don't know, but yeah, so I'll be able to treat 2 windows. Okay, and those were very affordable. Okay, so couldn't go wrong with that. And I think for about, I think I ended up spending like $21. So that was affordable. And then I had to pick that one up because, like I stated before, $6.99. I thought I liked this, the black on it that made the whole picture pop. So $6.99 was affordable. Now this is Family Dollar. Now I went in there and I had to conduct some business, but I still wanted to stop by in Family Dollar. And so, yeah, that frame, that picture there, was very affordable. Okay, now I don't know if it was a part of their fall, selection last season. I don't know, because yeah, but the price was on point. The price was pointing. Okay, it was very, very affordable at $3.99. So I just want to go ahead and pick it up. Okay, so the next store I think is gonna be Michael's. Okay, so I didn't spend that much in there. I think I only spent like about $2 and something. And these things were on sale, okay, because I thought they were going to be $1.99, so they were marked down. So you can just use those as decorative pieces, and you can just, add on to something. Like you could take that and hot glue it onto something. Okay, now Dollar Tree, this I think was a part of the last season. Okay, and I did want to pick it up, but I didn't. I was like, I'm just use what I have. So this was very affordable, and it was $7.99. Okay, so I do like all of the colors that are on there, and then you can see, I guess that would be like a sunflower. It has black in it, and so I'm kind of debating where I'm going to put it. And yeah, so I hope, you like this type of content. If you made it this far in the video, to, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, a like, a hype. All of that helps. Okay, so yeah. And like I stated before, if you don't like my video, then like someone else's. Okay, yeah. It only helps small creators like myself. So yeah, I hope you like this wreath. I did like how it had that hook right there in the back, so it would just make it easier once you put your pin tack or your nail screw or whatever have you into the wall. It would just adhere easier. And so this is where the video is going to end. Don't forget to do me that solid like, hype, share, and subscribe. And I will see you back on my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.